come along, it's time to sing and play. Let's go an alphabet right today.
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bear who bounces on the bed. C is for cat who loves to climb. D is for drum, let's beat in time. Boom, boom. A, B, C, D, come and sing with me. E, F, G, H, jump so happily. I, J, K, L, twirl around and spin. M, N, O, P, let's sing again with a grin. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fish swimming in a crowd. G is for goat who giggles all day. H is for horse who loves to neigh. A, B, C, D, come and sing with me. E, F, G, H, jump so happily. I, J, K, L, twirl around and spin. M, N, O, P, let's sing again with a grin. I is for igloo, cold and bright. J is for jelly beans, oh what a sight. K is for kite flying so high. L is for lion with the mighty cry. M is for monkey who swings in trees. N is for nest built by buzzing bees. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda, come dance with me. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rainbow shining down. S is for sun that warms the skies. T is for tiger with twinkling eyes. Q is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin that sweetly plays. W is for whale who sings so deep. X is for xylophone, tinkly beep. U is for yacht sailing so free. Z is for zebra, 1, 2, 3. A to Z, now you know. Let's clap our hands and shout bravo. A, B, C, sing it loud. You're the smartest in the crowd. Hey!